Hello friends, you are all welcome to Bigger Electrical Service. This is where when you give us a contract, we will make sure we give you a block and a detailed diagram of whatever you have taxes to do, and then after that we will then come to your site and then give you proper estimate of whatever you say we should do for you, and then you will start business with you. At this time, I want to introduce you to a tax a client has given to us to come and wire a chamber and wall. At this time, the client says he will just use one fan, one bulb in the bedroom, and then he will just use one socket. You get it? So this diagram shows us only one fan in the bedroom and one bulb in the bedroom, and then the person will just use only one socket. You get it? Only one socket. Yes. So this is a complete diagram of one chamber and hall for the person. Do you get it? Yes. So I want to introduce you to how the process has been done. You get it? So let me start from the meter. Here is the meter. Here is the ECG meter. These lines are the ones coming from the main lines. The main lines, yes. So you have the live and the neutral, and then for the meter you have the live and the neutral and the live. You get it? So you come to this box, and then this box will contains the DINI rim. The DINI rim is the bar behind all the circuit breakers. The DINI rim is holding the circuit breakers. Do you get it? So this is MCB 2-pole and then 1-pole circuit breakers. Do you get it? So this is where you connect the line, the neutral from the meter into the MCB. Into the MCB, and then the live from the MCB, you connect this live from the MCB, you loop it to all the circuit breakers. Do you get it? To all the circuit breakers, and then the neutral from the MCB, you link it to the neutral bus bar. That is where you tap all your neutrals from. Do you get it? That's where you tap all your neutrals from. And then these breakers, we have aligned them to use this very first one will use the sockets connected to the sockets, so that when the socket gets overload, it will trip. Do you get it? It will trip, so that the socket will not work, but the lights and then the fans can still work. Do you get it? Yes. So this one is also connected to the lights. Yes, and this one is connected to the fans. Yes, and then you have your earth bus bar where you connect all your earth from. So from this distribution box, from this box, you will then connect you start with the socket. You then connect the live straight to the socket, and this socket is a double socket which has been looped. Do you get it? So this is from the live. This is the live from the circuit breaker. This is from the live from the circuit breaker, and then at the same time from the neutral bus bar. From the neutral bus bar, we have a neutral. To this socket. This neutral too has been looped to this one, and then from this double socket we have the earth. This is the earth which has been connected to this place and it has been looped to this place. So at this time, this double socket has been wired. Do you get it? This double socket has been wired. So if this socket has been wired, since we are giving all the sockets one circuit breaker, therefore we can loop this socket to the one in the porch. Do you get it? To the one in the porch. Therefore, finding out where the neutral is, from this neutral, you can then link this neutral. Straight to these neutrals. Do you get it? And then this live, you can then link this live straight to this live, and then you can then link this earth straight to this earth. If you want to take the earth from here and the neutral from here, the wires will be more complex. You get it? We can do it like that way, but the wires will be more complex. But for every socket, you can link a socket to either one or two. You get it? For a safety reasons, you can link a socket to either one or two, or if possible three, but not more than three. Yes. And then after completing the socket, linking the socket, now we can have power in this socket. Now getting to the light, now we have already connected the light here, so we take the light from the breaker straight into the switch, and then from the switch we take it back to the bulb, since the neutral is common. We can tap the neutral from the socket to the bulb, or you can tap the neutral from the bus bar all the way to the bulb, which will make it very, very complex. Do you get it? It will make it very complex, but when you tap it from the socket, it will save cost. Do you get it? So we have line from the switch to the bulb, and then since we are having all the bulb on one circuit breaker, we can have the second switch of this bulb link to this switch, but make sure you not take the connection from this line. If you take the connection from this line, if you this switch will then control this bulb. Yes, so you have to take the connection at this place. Do you get it? The line coming into this switch, not the line coming out of this switch. Do you get it? So we take it from there, then we link it to this place, then we connect it to the bulb, and then we connect the neutral, which is common, and we are done. Thank you.